Have you ever wondered how to create an AI influencer like the ones you see on Instagram? How to create images without getting different faces every time? Well, don't worry. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to create an AI influencer using Higgsfield Soul 2.0. You guys might have already heard about Hicksfield. You can get all the AI tools you need in one place. And in today's video, let's try out Soul 2.0 and create an AI influencer. And by the way, if you want my prompt to upscale low quality images, check out my broadcast channel on Instagram. You can find my prompt there. Don't forget to join my broadcast channel for more updates. So without wasting any more time, let's go to Hicksfield AI and try Soul 2.0. So here we are in Hicksfield. I've made few videos about Hicksfield before, and you guys can see that it's like the supermarket for all the AI tools you need for AI content. You can create professional cinematic style images or videos using Higgsfield AI. Now I will show you how you can create your own AI influencer using Soul 2.0. When you click on image, you can see a lot of AI tools. From there, we are going to test out the new Higgsfield Soul 2.0 AI tool. Click on it and we get an interface like this. Here we can choose which AI model to use, like Higgsfield Soul 2.0, Seedream 4.5, Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana, ChatGPT 1.5 and many more. The list goes on. At the moment, we are testing Soul 2.0, so let's select that. Then we can choose the ratio we want. I'm going with 9.16 ratio. Next, we can select the image quality. We have 1.5K, which is fast and cheaper. And then we have 2K for the best visual. I'm selecting 2K. Next, we get the option to enhance the prompt on or off. Then we can select up to 4 results from a single prompt. After that, we have the character feature. I will explain that later. Next, we have some presets to try out. We have got mood, styles and camera. Each preset categories has different types of options. For now, let's go with general and check out the presets after creating our AI influencer. First, we need a prompt. For that, you can use ChatGPT. You can access ChatGPT directly from Hicksfield itself. You can choose which model you want, or you can use the normal ChatGPT as well. Now, I typed this so that ChatGPT can ask me questions to create the perfect AI influencer I want. As you can see, we got a few things to answer like gender, niche, target audience, etc. I need to input all this information so we can get the perfect prompt to create our AI influencer. And let me fill it really quick. So I gave all the information and this is the prompt it generated. You got the prompt to create the influencer and it also suggested some names which I don't like at all. It also gave me a prompt for bio, personality, reels and video prompt formula, etc. Anyway, for now we only need this one, so let's copy that prompt and paste it here like this. After checking that all the settings are correct, we can click on generate and wait for AI to do its thing. Okay, we got some results, but I'm not very satisfied with them. So I'm going to input a different information to create another prompt and generate again. Okay, we got our influencer ready. I'm happy that I selected one on the second try itself. Now we get few options like overview, upscale, enhancer, relight and inpaint. Inpaint allows you to paint an area and add or change things in that area. It's useful for adding a watch or a phone, etc. Angles is where we can create multiple angles images from a single image, which is what we need. You can select which angle you want, but I'm selecting generate from 12 best angles and click generate. Now we got images from different angles using single image. And in all the images, the face looked the same. Now I'm going to download a few images. Next, I will explain the character feature. Click on character. Here we can create a character, which means the face will stay the same across generations. Now click on create generate. Now click on create character. Here you can upload images of your character. Make sure to add more than one image from different angles. And this is why I created multiple angles earlier. Don't add any images with more than one person, filters, mask or sunglasses on. Now I'm going to click on upload, select the images like this, and then hit done. Here you can see the number of images is low. That's okay, but it's also better to add more images. The quality seems perfect, so hit create and the Soul 2.0 will generate our character. Now our character is created. Let's create something using the presets. Let's go with street photography. I created a prompt using ChatGPT. Now let's hit the create and wait for AI to do its thing. I don't know what's the thing, but let's do it. Now look at that. We got our influencer ready, and the best part is they all have the same face. We didn't add any new images, we just selected our character, which is pretty cool. Okay, let's try another one. Let's say Y2K Street. That also looks cool and there's no change in the face. We can also animate this image into a video. Just write something, choose the duration you want, and then hit generate. And this is the result. It's nice, right? What do you guys think? Would you try this out? I mean, Hicksfield has all the tools, so make sure to check them out. Until then, I will see you in another video. Bye.